On July 24, 2025, fierce clashes broke out between Cambodia and Thailand along their contested border, with both nations exchanging heavy artillery fire and Thailand launching airstrikes. Reports confirm ground incursions, including Thai soldiers entering Cambodian territory. The conflict erupted in the morning hours when Cambodian forces attacked Thai border posts. This violence stems from a decades-long dispute over areas like the Preah Vihear temple. The Royal Cambodian Army launched a nighttime rocket attack on Thai military positions, using Czechoslovak-made 122mm RM-70 rocket launchers. In response, the Royal Thai Army conducted drone strikes on Cambodian targets, destroying weapons depots and at least one loaded RM-70 grade launcher. Thai forces used domestically built hexacopter drones equipped with M261 and M472 mortar bombs, alongside improvised air-dropped munitions, and to great effect. Interestingly, there is already footage of one of these Thai hexacopter drones being shot down. The video shows the drone hovering momentarily as small arms fire erupts from Cambodian soldiers on the ground. The drone starts to spin uncontrollably in the air as a result, ultimately falling to the ground. All this footage underscores Thailand's heavy investment into drone technology. Thailand has even domestically developed and produced its own kamikaze drone. This fixed-wing drone is said to be able to strike targets at medium range with high explosive warheads while achieving sub-5 meter precision. The usage of this specific type of drone in combat has yet to be documented.